Walking tour of the legendary Liverpool in January. A walk through the famous Liverpool will be the first in our tour today. Our walking tour will take place in a lively city known for its rich cultural and musical heritage. Liverpool is a city in the west of Great Britain, the capital of the county of Merseyside. This is one of the main British ports, a large, dynamic city that is the birthplace of the legendary band The Beatles, and has a delightful rock and roll atmosphere. Walking through the noisy Taipei at night in January. Taipei is the embodiment of the Taiwanese economic miracle. A city of industry and economy, and if not yet the city of the future, then very close to it. This city is growing and developing rapidly. Residents fill it so tightly that there is nowhere for an apple to fall, and there are still tourists. By our time, it has become one of the most densely populated cities in the world. And the population here continues to grow steadily.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Cairo is the capital of Egypt, located on the banks of the Nile. Africa's largest city. Cairo is an ancient city that is also a modern metropolis. This is one of the largest cities in the Middle East, as evidenced by constant traffic jams and street noise. Cairo is the keeper of the secrets and wisdom of the East. Modern Cairo can easily be called a city of contrasts. The past, present and future are closely intertwined here. This is an eclectic and in some places very dirty metropolis, which has gained fame as the Arab Rome, for a huge number of ancient monuments. and the same number of tourists. Thank you very much for continuing to watch the Web TV channel. Subscribe and expect new videos.
Sound right, boy.
Rio de Janeiro in translation means January River, the former capital, the most visited city in Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is the most beautiful city in South America and the second largest in Brazil. According to the Brazilians, the Lord created the world in 6 days and dedicated the 7th to the creation of Rio. Admiring townspeople lovingly call it Amazing City. This metropolis is an important economic and tourist center of the country. Manila, the contrasting capital of the Philippines. Stunning wayward metropolis. Manila is refined and naive, aristocratic and simple. A modern metropolis, recognized as the most densely populated city on the planet. The city warmed by the bright rays of the hot tropical sun, surrounded by picturesque Pacific nature. Fascinates with its harmony and compatibility of incongruous architectural monuments. Catchy colors and vibrant energy of life. Now the Philippines celebrate Chinese New Year, noise and holiday on every corner. Thanks for watching. Watch on the Web TV channel for many more trips to different cities and countries. Subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon.